Morning, guys. It's my breakfast time. I'm eating cooked yam with groundnut oil. It's a good combination. This is what I feel like eating this morning, so that's what I'm eating. Feel free to join me. All right. Hello, hello. Good morning, hello. How you doing? Come join me. I'm eating. Let's eat. Please, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. All right. Like, comment, share. Have you ever tried boiled yam with groundnut oil? Nice to meet you, bro. Where you watching from? Hala. Billy from Africa. Okay. Billy, I'm eating boiled yam. Some people say cooked yam with groundnut oil. That's what I'm eating. It's my breakfast this morning. Oh, Nigeria. That's good. Which part of Nigeria? Rovi. I'm eating boiled yam with groundnut oil and salt. You should try it. All right. It's very good, man. A lady from Kano. Are you a YouTuber? Are you a content creator? Hala. Okay. What's that? I'm from the Philippines, so I don't know. Okay, so what I say is that it is yam, like yam. You know yam now. Yam with granite oil. I don't know whether you have granite oil, but if you have it, cooked yam, put your granite oil with salt, and then you eat. I'm not Africa, but I, I relate there, like my dad family. Okay, well that's good. Where you from? Billion. So you can try this kind of combination, all right? So you see this is boiled yam. Look at it. It's boiled yam. Oh, Gambia. All right. Come join me. That's Gambia today. Come join me. You see, you cut your yam, put the granite oil, and then you eat. How are you? Are you a YouTuber? Okay. Okay, so Rovix. Rovix, hello. Hello guys, welcome Rovix all the way from the Philippines watching Nigerian food. Okay. Okay. You're not YouTuber, alright. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. Alright. So what do you do? Hala. What do you do for a living? Me, I'm from Benue State, Nigeria. You are not far from me. Guys, please subscribe, like my video. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Rovix. Thank you so much for subscribing. And you can still watch my other videos. I have some other videos down below. You can still watch them. Man, Rovix Manuk, Manuk. Is it Manuk? Manuxi. Manux. Manux. Mm. Oh, yeah, on WhatsApp. Okay, if you need my WhatsApp number, I'll drop it. Okay. I'm the Peter. Good morning. How are you? Ma Maniquis. 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 Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Maniquis. Okay, hello. Let me drop my number, my WhatsApp line. Mm. Did you see it? food is so yummy, yummy, yummy. I think you should try it. If I hungry, you should join me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can watch some of my other videos. I have enough video. I'm still creating more. All right. Just let me know where you're watching me from. What's that? Hala, what are you saying? Saying, man. Okay. You can chat me. Oh God, I've eaten enough. I've eaten enough, man. I'm kind of tired, man. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you like this channel, subscribe, comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. Come and join me. I'm having a breakfast this morning. Boiled yam with grandnot oil. I'll call it. Okay. Thank you guys for joining me to have my breakfast. Usually I spend how many minutes? 20 minutes eating this food. That's funny, man. So this is sachet water. Yeah. I don't know whether you have it in your country, but this is sachet water. Yeah, we use it here in Nigeria a lot. I don't know about other countries, but in Nigeria, this is kind of water we have. We have sachet water, we have bottled water. The one in the bottle and the one in the sachet, like this. So this is cheaper, right, than the one in the bottle. So imagine this is, before it was 20, 10 naira. The one in the bottle was like 100 naira. So the one in the bottle, you can buy this thing, like now, you can buy this water like 5 of it. Why you, I'm not saying 5, no, 7, because it's 300 naira. So you can buy the one in the bottle, 250 naira. So sometimes it's better. This is like 60 cl. And sometimes those bottled waters are not up to that, you know, but this is like 60 cl. Yeah. Get what I'm saying? Some people feel when you are drinking this thing, this sachet water, here, some people feel like you're poor, you can't afford bottled water, but to me, they have the same content. And it's the same company that produces bottled water, it's the same company that produces sachet water. So the difference is that the other one is in the bottle, this one is in the sachet. So some people feel when they drink here, they are not rich. But it doesn't mean it's the same content. To me, I don't know about you. So now sometimes when people come to your house and you're drinking bottled water, they feel like, oh man, this guy is rich. He's a big boy, he's a big girl, you know. That's kind of ideology that people have, you know. So that's what's up. All right, guys, I have to go now because I'm going for a friend's wedding today. So that's why I'm dressed like this. And I will get the highlight of the videos of the wedding and then bring it to you to watch. All right, so watch out for the wedding video. If you know how to dance, You dance with us. I would have loved to stream live there, but there's a situation about the copyright. You know, when you have copyright and you show YouTube, I don't want to have any copyright issue with YouTube. You know, I've come too far, so I always try to avoid all those unnecessary stuff. So at times it's better for you to avoid it. Guys, please subscribe, watch all my videos. Yeah, I can say I have 2 subscribers more, and you are 7 people here. So if you subscribe, I should have more. So please, guys, subscribe. All right. Let's support this channel. At least we want to hit 10,000 before July. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Thank you. I love you all. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. You're the best. Without you, there's no channel like this. So thank you so much for the support. I love you. I appreciate you. And God bless you. See you in the next one.